Good morning, crafty friends. Sparkle here. Say I'm back to do my project for um, your creative studios. This was the baking kit from October of 2022. I did an unboxing. I'll leave the video on there, and finally getting around to make something with this. I told you before that I wanted to try to use this bag that I had stitched and cut, and I'm just taking various papers from the kit, from the box, and I was going to line this bag front and center, and the paper will fit nicely there. And then I was going to make a single signature, and I used copy dyed paper, some recipes, and my signature doily, of course. And it's just going to be a small single signature little book. You can write some recipes in it. I'll use some of the embellishments I made, and we'll make some more. And let's just see where this goes, okay? So thanks for stopping by. There'll be a surprise, so continue watching the video, and I will reveal what the surprise will be. So let's take that out. Let's this is, I believe, sticky back. Yeah, this is sticker paper. So we just want to take our time and get it pretty aligned. Whoops. It's over too far. So guess it's got to go right by the stitching. A little bit more, and we'll put it right there. That should do it. And yeah, I didn't glue it down. I think we'll be fine. Because this is pretty strong background. But then we'll have something. We'll have a background that we can decorate. And so let's put this one in, and this is just plain paper. And again, if we just go stitch to stitch, we should be okay. So this one, we'll use our glue stick if I can get it open. Oh, mercy. Yeah, I was, I'll be honest with you, I was having a hard time figuring out what I was going to do with this box after I unboxed it a couple weeks ago. But, you know, I sit there and I think about it, and sometimes things come to me. So we want to be careful that we get it right up to the stitches. That might be perfect. Is it okay down there? Let's raise it up a little bit. That's good, but we want to just go up a little bit higher. So let's just go up a little higher. There you go. Oh, now it's too high. Oh, sparkle. There, let's just get it in there. Get her down. Okay, let's do some reinforcement up here. Because you don't want anything to come loose. And now we need to make sure that's all crisp. There. And then our little signature will go in here. And then the fun part will be to decorate it. And I like it because it's a little flexible here. So let's do a little bit of inking. Cover my glues. I'm trying to be vigilant about keeping my glues covered. You can't really tell. No, you can't really see that there. Nope. Let's try it this way. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There. Okay. It's a good start. All right, so let's see how we're going to decorate. We have some things that I had pulled out last time. So maybe just ink these up while they're out. Okay, so we got a couple things. This is just recycled washi, but we could still use it. And we have all these backgrounds. We have stickers. Let's take some goodies out. We have a stamp. We have another stamp. Let me see if I can. Sorry. So we have some stamps. We have some collage papers and stuff. We have that. We have some washi. And the rest is paper. We have okay, these are all the little things we have included. Here's some. So we want to collage our front. And let's see which image. Let's see what else we have in our repertoire here. We also have this stamp set, so I want to incorporate that. So these are vellum. Some of them are vellum and some of them are paper. So let's see. I think I like that one because I like all those cakes and things. Here's a little piece of scraps that I was tore up earlier. So we could do something like that. And maybe put this up here. And then something up in the corner. these are stickers, rub-ons. So maybe we could put something from there on here. I don't know. It's just, we're just going to play. So, yeah. Okay, let's put these down. I want to put something back there. So whether it's a piece of one of these tickets, just something like that. Okay. So let's put some glue down. And I'm just going to try to just use things from the kit. So let's see. Oh my goodness. What did I do? Put the glue on the wrong side. I have never done that. Oh my word. It's going to be fine. So I hope you're all having a good day. I'm going to be having a self-care moment later and go out to lunch. I need to every now and then regroup and get away from my responsibilities here. And as long as I'm not gone too long, hubby is okay with being alone. So I'm going to be meeting a friend for lunch, so that'll be nice. I love these little stickers. I want to put that on here since I tore it up already. I don't know. So many choices, you know. I like that one. So let's just put that one on here. And this is a washi seal one. Just so many choices, huh? Yeah, so I don't know how far this video will go before I'll have to leave, but I'll be back. The surprise is when I'm done, if anyone, you have to be in the USA, wants this mini journal, assuming you like it when it's done, and you can tell me what my favorite snack food is, which I'll tell you in a minute, and you like, subscribe, comment, you can win this journal, and I'll send it right out to you. So if that's something you're interested in, hit me up. So I will tell you that my favorite snack food is popcorn. I make it in the microwave in a brown lunch sack, and that is something that I enjoy. So there you have it. So if you tell me it's popcorn, you like, subscribe, and comment. I value your comments, and I need to get my watch hours up, and apparently my watch time, and my subscribers seem to be decreasing of late, and I don't know why. So maybe I got to come up with different content. So there's our little cover. So it's got several of the elements from the kit. I like it. And now in here, I don't know that we're going to do much in the cover. I suppose we could, I don't want to deter from that though. You know, if we do something like that, I guess we could do something like this and like that, just to break the cover up a little bit. That would be okay. So let's do that. Chewy, my puppy, is in the room and he's being quiet, so as long as he's quiet, he can stay. But he's looking out the window, so once he sees another one of his kind, he'll be barking up a storm. And then I will apologize profusely and take him out of the room. Okay, so that's all we're going to do on this. We'll put something on the back as well. So let's do a little collage back here. This was a little test stamp that I did when I did the unboxing. So I might just ink it up and put it back here. We'll see. Just because I don't like to waste stuff. So we'll just put this down here. Maybe we'll do it as a pocket. We'll see. And then we could put something in here. So we'll say that our little cover's done. Oops. Okay. And that'll be ready for our signature. But I think we're going to decorate our book before we put it in there. I think. Okay, so let's just see what we have here. I don't think we need the ink. We don't need this. Okay, so this is the cover. So I wanted to include this on it, and maybe something like that. Put that over here. Let's get it. So this is on here. And if we put that up there, we can just do it like that. It could be a flip. So we can just run some glue up here. This is my Fabri-Tac. And it doesn't want to come out, which is my nemesis of late. Come on. There you go. So that can just flip up there. Okay. Let's pop it upside down. Okay. And do we want one of these stickers on here? Up here? This peanut butter. It's a dog thing, huh? How about this little fridge? That looks kind of cute. And they give you the tool and everything, which is kind of cool. So you take the back off and then you put this down, and after you scrape it a little bit, you can try to start peeling it off, and it should come off pretty clear. There you go. And maybe just a little snippet of color across the top. And I better run this over the glue just in case. Sometimes as the washi gets older and things, the glue doesn't adhere as well. So you have a little flip, little flop, and there's the cover. Okay, we'll do it this way. So we want to add some stamps. Let's add the server's hand. Okay. And let's just make a little cluster down here. Now this could be a little tuck spot, so we'll just do here, here, and here. I guess we have to put it over here because I put the glue on the wrong side. Yay, sparkle! So, just a little tuck spot there. Okay, then this is the other side. So, let's I want to leave room for writing, so the recipient can add what they want in their journals. This one is a sticker. Looks like a dessert. And you can put one of these little mushroom, lots of vellum stickers. Okay, so we have our little cover and we have our page. Now we'll do the back here. I like these little doggies. All right, let's use this. And we'll put this up here. And these are, I'm not sure if these are stickers or vellum. I'm thinking they're vellum or washi, one or the other. But I can't be sure. So nope. We are just going to glue him down, which is nice. And we could add a flower. Just a little flower down there, or what else we have? Yep, let's do the little cluster here. Well, nope. I just have trouble getting these started. And I want to utilize these here little cooking stamps. There's spoons, and let's take this rolling pin, and should have a clear block around here, which is a big one, but that's okay. So that would be cute to put some words in it. I might want to put that up here too. It's very subdued, but you could see it a little bit. So this will be the beginning of my signature, and I'm going to take time and decorate all my pages. I'll come back in a little bit and show you my progress. So we have our cover, our front, and our back. And we have the cover of our signature, little flip, the inside, the first page. So, you can write recipes or whatever, and you can write back here. So, I'll be back and I'll show you my progress in a little bit. Okay? We'll do the next page.